वर्ल्ड यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ डिज़ाइन WD, जो सोनीपत हरियाणा में है। और आज हम यहाँ पर आए हैं और मैं स्पेशली इस बार फाइन आर्ट डिपार्टमेंट को एक्सप्लोर करने आई हूँ। चलिए फाइन आर्ट डिपार्टमेंट में क्या क्या है और किस तरह की चीज़ें आप देख सकते हैं और कौन से स्टूडेंट वर्क हैं और फाइन आर्ट डिपार्टमेंट कौन से कोर्सेज हैं, ये सारे हम डिस्कस करेंगे इस वीडियो में। हेलो, हाय। सो व्हाट इज दिस?
It's applique work.
So applique work, okay. So what is the theme of the applique work?
No, it was a self-portrait kind of how we want to predict ourselves in the work.
Okay, so the sunflowers, what you've done is you like the sunflower or you just...
Yeah, I like the sunflower and also to balance the colors of the composition.
Okay, okay. Thank you. Okay, so what are you doing?
It's a painting of ISKCON temple in Bangalore.
Okay, so your which medium you are using?
Acrylic and embroidery threads.
Okay, you are using acrylic and embroidery in the painting. Okay, okay. It's what is this actually? It's building type.
It's a temple.
It's a
ISKCON
temple.
Yeah. It's the front part of the ISKCON temple.
Okay, okay, okay. So which year are you in?
Sorry?
Which year are you in? Third year. And what is your name?
Diksha.
Diksha. Okay. You know, what do you think about WD and how you have...
It's like it's a unique thing, you know, because in India there are very less colleges who are visual arts. So that's why we're here.
Okay. So, okay. Thank you. What is your name?
I'm Devansh.
Devansh, what do you made in this and what do you want to depict it in the painting?
So, ma'am, our purpose is to create a painting which was involved with our mood and something with our personal experience. So I come from mountains, and that time I was not so much creative and all. So, but I had few of the images that I had from my place, and recently I went to few places. So this is a mountain. On the bottom of this mountain there is my village, and from there I have painted this. This is my city. So I wanted to paint this painting for myself, like my village is there, my city is there, and the entire landscape. And these places are like Himalayas, like the top of the Himalayas, which are not complete yet. I'm going to do it more. So that is what I wanted to display.
Okay. What do you think about your college?
It has freedom. For us, it has freedom for visual artists, and the faculty is very. They give us time. They give us time to do the work with our pace, and they're very understanding for a point. But like sometimes we don't bring ourselves to their expectations, but still they support us and we do our work. So like today I had to present this to my faculty. She has been saying it for a lot of days and present to me, but still the way I presented it, she was happy with it. It's pretty content.
This is your third year or fourth year?
Third year.
Okay, okay. So what do you want to do after the fourth year?
I do not have a very particular direction in terms of job, but I know I will practice painting more even after this. I want to take a year gap and finish most of the work which I've started and I couldn't do. I want to finish that all in 1 year. And after that, I would opt for a master's, either in like MSU or like JJ or like Shantiniketan or somewhere in.
Okay, okay. Do come to us. Mic कहाँ गया? Hello.
Hi.
Yeah. What is your name?
Ashna Lora.
So which year?
Fourth year.
Fourth year.
Seventh semester.
Seventh semester. Okay. Tell me about your work.
So basically, this work was about mythological illustration, where we were being told to create an illustration over Chinese background. So we took the folk story, and it was a part of the episode of that. So where we were being told to create new characters and new forms of composition about the work.
So this is all digital?
Yeah, this is digital.
Okay, so you learned the digital, which software you're using?
Photoshop and Illustrator both.
Okay, and what is your experience in the about WD?
So here I'm coming to the end of my learning. So it was an amazing and it was a hard-working 4 years. So I felt really good about the course and the modules that we were being taught.
What is your name?
Rajesh,
Which year?
4th year.
Okay, so tell me about your work.
मैम इसमें हमने असाइनमेंट किया था मैम चाइनीज़ माइथोलॉजी के मूवी के ऊपर हमें इलस्ट्रेशन करनी थी। मूवी पहले से ही मतलब कंप्लीट बन चुकी है, बट हमें रिक्रिएट करना था उसको फ्रेम। मैम वो रिक्रिएशन हमने ये इलस्ट्रेशन मैम मैंने पूरी अपने खुद से बनाई है और मूवी रिक्रिएट की है। मतलब काफ़ी कम फ्रेम्स में मूवीज शोकेस करनी थी, तो ये 14 फ्रेम्स की स्टोरी मैंने उसमें।
सॉफ्टवेयर कौन सा यूज किया?
मैम प्रोक्रिएट, फोटोशॉप, इलस्ट्रेटर।
ओके, सो इसको जो आपने मूवी ये तो स्लाइड्स है, इसको क्या मतलब वीडियो टाइप का, ये स्टॉप मोशन टाइप का भी किया है या जैसे
फ्रेम से ड्रॉ किए थे मैम, इनको फिर एक कंटिन्यूएशन फॉर्म में मूवी की तरह शोकेस किया।
मतलब वो स्टॉप मोशन टाइप ना? हाँ, तो वो चलता है तो लगता है कि हाँ
फ्रेम चेंज होते हैं मैम मूवी।
हाँ, मूव करता है, हाँ, तो स्टॉप मोशन टाइप ही है। ओके, okay, what is your name?
My name is Gregan Dias.
Okay, so
From Goa.
you're from Goa, and this is you're in first year, second
First year masters.
first year master. Okay, so tell me about your works, all which are there. Explain.
Basically, most of my works follow a theme of death and gore. So I've been sort of fascinated with the circle of life, and if you go to see throughout art history, you see that most of the artists have focused on the life or birth as aspect of the circle of life, but not that much focus was there on the aspect of death and afterlife as such. So I wanted to focus on that part of the circle of life. So most of my paintings follow that sort of theme, like with dark imagery and stuff.
Okay. So these are the skulls you use.
Yes, recently in the past few months I've been working a lot with skulls. It's sort of like becoming slowly a part of my subject matter, and I keep implementing them in different ways. Like in this painting, like I'm using the space and form to create images. And then basically over here, like I keep on like sketching and creating different compositions and stuff.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
आपका?
मेरा नाम सुमित कुमार हुआ।
सुमित, आप यहाँ पर कौन से ईयर में हैं?
मैं अभी फर्स्ट ईयर में हूँ, मास्टर्स फर्स्ट ईयर।
मास्टर्स फर्स्ट ईयर। पहले कौन से कॉलेज में थे?
पहले मैं बनारस से कर रहा था।
BHU से?
हाँ।
ओके, सो अब अपना बताइए अपने पेंटिंग के बारे में।
ये पेंटिंग एक्चुअली मैंने अपनी स्ट्रगल्स के बारे में, अपनी मजबूरियों, अपनी जो जितने सारी प्रेशर जो दिमाग पे आती है, उन सब चीज़ को लेके मैंने ये पेंटिंग कंपोज की।
ओके, सो ये आप अपने आप को दिखाया उसमें।
हाँ, ये
और
मैंने
ऑक्टोपस क्यों बनाया?
ऑक्टोपस इसलिए बनाया कि ऑक्टोपस बहुत ही सॉफ्ट टाइप का वो जानवर होता है, वो कभी किसी को हार्म नहीं कर सकता। लेकिन फिर भी मैंने ये इमेजिन करते हुए दिखाया कि नहीं, यहाँ पे ये हार्म कर रहा है, जो कि मुझे पता है कि ये जो सारी परेशानियाँ हैं जो वो बहुत ही चंद मिनटों के लिए, चंद दिनों के लिए है, लेकिन फिर भी मैं उसे उस वे में ले रहा हूँ और ये मुझे समझ में आ जाएगी तो कुछ दिन में ही उतर जाएगी। तो ये जस्ट काइंड ऑफ फिक्शन है मेरे लिए और कुछ नहीं।
ओके, और कोई काम है आपका यहाँ पर?
हाँ मैम, वो मैंने बैचलर्स में की।
ओके, ये आपका काम?
हाँ, ये मैंने लाइव स्केचेस कुछ किए हैं। अच्छा। ये सारे लाइव मैंने पेंटिंग बैचलर के टाइम में किए हैं।
अच्छा, ये अच्छा है। So Komal is my student and it's her work, and so Komal को लगा देते हैं। What you wanted? What are you showing in this. It's a still life, like.
Yes, ma'am. it
Which
was a
medium
still
you have
life.
used?
Oil.
Oil. Okay. So tell about your experience of this college and your work you are doing.
Ma'am, this work we did in third year. This was still life, and we have to do it in oil color.
Yeah. What is your name?
Anushka Chatterjee.
Okay, Anushka. Okay. So Bangali.
Yes.
Okay. ठीक है. So what do you think about your?
The
What do you think about WD?
WD.
Yeah.
Okay, so the place is new first of all, and my faculties from my previous college she suggested it as the dean was known, and my personal experiences we have to work a lot here, and there's always we have got enough space, we have got the good fellows here, and yes, I think I concentrate more in when I'm working in this space. The juniors, the faculties, everyone is supportive and giving ideas, always approaching to how we can go to higher level. So yeah, I guess those opportunities are really well here.
Now you tell me about your work. This is, I feel, chicken.
Incomplete it is. Yeah.
Chicken.
Yes.
Okay.
So
This is also incomplete.
yes, I've been doing layouts for that.
Okay.
So we basically, when we come to a final painting, before that we do sketches and rough, so that we build a type of sort. So here I'm making this face, then of this process, then that. So we gradually go to a final level of it. This is another module. We were doing some traditional work. So I use this in our Bengali culture. We use this in many kind of stuff. So I made tribal and village people there. So because of them, traditional is still there. So I'm making random portraits of there. This is one of the paintings which I was doing a series from my graduation. So I continued it here. Why I choose this subject? Because for me, I take it in something that it bothers me when I actually see it in the public and how it's been treated. So my perception towards it, basically they are bred to die. So I like to portray all those things which are being neglected by the people, not being that much focused on. So yeah.
Okay. Thank you. तो आपने अब ये पूरा जो WD का जो जर्नी था वो देखा मेरे साथ, और अगर किसी को भी इंटरेस्ट है फाइन आर्ट में जाना है तो मुझे व्हाट्सअप मैसेज कर सकता है. मेरा नंबर सारे जगह दिया गया है, तो आप उसमें व्हाट्सअप मैसेज करने के टाइम पे आप अपना नेम और अपना स्टेट ज़रूर लिखिएगा. और अगर WD के बारे में या किसी और चीज़ों के बारे में आपको ज़्यादा जानना है तो आप मुझसे कॉन्टैक्ट कर सकते हैं. आपको किस तरह से एडमिशन प्रोसेस है, एवरीथिंग आई विल टेल यू. एंड ऑल्सो अगर आपको हमारी क्लासेस ज्वाइन करनी है फाइन आर्ट के लिए तो भी आप हमारी क्लासेस ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं. कैसे WD में, क्योंकि पोर्टफोलियो की भी ज़रूरत है. अगर आपको पोर्टफोलियो कैसे करना है उसके लिए भी आप हमारे को कॉन्टैक्ट कर सकते हैं. इसके अलावा भी हमने डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में आपको फॉर्म का जो है लिंक दिया हुआ है, वो भर सकते हो. अगर आपको कोई भी डिस्काउंट चाहिए फॉर्म फिलिंग में तो आप मेरे को व्हाट्सअप मैसेज कर सकते हो. तो मैं आपको 1 की फॉर्म दूंगी तो आपको 20% ऑफ मिलेगा फॉर्म फिलिंग में. ऑल्सो आप उसमें आपको सैम्पल पेपर्स और अदर थिंग्स भी प्रोवाइड किया जाएगा. सो व्हाट आर यू वेटिंग फॉर? जस्ट ग्रैब योर फोन एंड व्हाट्सअप मी इन माई नंबर. सो आई थिंक दिस वीडियो इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर एवरीवन. सो लाइक एंड शेयर करना मत भूलिएगा, और जो फर्स्ट टाइम इस चैनल में है डू सब्सक्राइबर्स. फिर मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. बाय फॉर टुडे.